Good morning, everyone. This is Mama Hol, and I will be giving you some illustrative problems on the topic merchandising inventory or merchandise inventory at the end of the period. Just to give you a recap of the theoretical concept about merchandise inventory. Merchandise inventory is the account title specific to merchandising and manufacturing type of business. In the setup or the nature of operation of a merchandising company, what you offer to the customer is good, particularly and referred to as and we use the account title merchandise inventory. So we have merchandise inventory beginning and merchandise inventory ending. When we say merchandise inventory beginning, we are talking about the amount of merchandise inventory available during the beginning of the accounting period. So if we are using a calendar accounting period, so the beginning inventory will be January 1 of the year. When we talk about the ending inventory, most commonly we are talking about the December 31 merchandise inventory. So the beginning inventory of the current year is the ending inventory of the previous year. And your ending inventory for the current year will be the beginning inventory of the next accounting period. Basically, at the end of the period, entries are made to reflect in the inventory account the ending balance. So there are two steps in order to achieve the objective. The first one is to remove the beginning balance and transfer it to the income summary, and the second one is to enter the ending balance and to establish it in the income summary. So let me present some problems with regards to merchandise inventory. So I have here problem number 1. Merchandise inventory at the end of the period, the beginning and ending merchandise inventories for Maribet Villion store for the year ended December 31, 2019 are as follows. Merchandise inventory January 1, 2019 is 300,000 and merchandise inventory December 31, 2019 is 230,000. Prepare the adjusting entries to update the merchandise inventory account as of December 31, 2019. So just like what I have mentioned earlier, there are two steps in order to achieve the objective of setting up the merchandise inventory at the end of the period. The first one is to remove, the first thing you have to do is to remove the beginning balance. And the second one is to enter the ending balance. So in the given problem, the beginning balance is 300,000 and the ending balance is 230,000. So in order to make the adjusting entries necessary in updating and establishing our merchandise inventory account, let us first recall that merchandise inventory is an example of asset account. And as an asset account, its normal balance is debit. So therefore, this beginning balance of 300,000 is actually a debit balance. Okay, so how are you going to make the necessary adjusting entry? As I have mentioned earlier, in removing the beginning balance, you have just to transfer it to the income summary account. And since the beginning balance is a debit account, in order to remove it, what you have to do is to simply credit the merchandise inventory. The merchandise inventory must be credited for the amount of 300,000 and it will be removed and entered and transferred to income summary. Therefore, the account title to be used as a debit balance or a debit account is income summary for amount of 300,000 pesos. So this is the entry to record the removal of the beginning balance. The second entry is to establish and to enter the ending balance. So in order to enter the ending balance of 230,000, you'll have to simply debit the merchandise inventory of how much? Of 230,000. pesos. And you have to transfer it and establish it in the income summary account. So you have to credit your income summary for an amount of 230,000 pesos. So this is the entry to recognize or to establish the ending balance of 230,000 pesos. So the requirement is to prepare the adjusting entries to update the merchandise inventory account as of December 31, 2019, to debit income summary 300,000 and to credit merchandise inventory 300,000. Another entry is to debit merchandise inventory of 230,000 and to credit income summary of 230,000 pesos.